Welcome to Pip Insight. Wednesday the 8th of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 2 showing bullish structure and 5 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, and there's a lot to unpack this morning. Gold is trading around $4,041 heading into the New York Open, and the structure here is firmly bearish across every time frame we track. The 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 15-minute are all printing lower highs and lower lows without exception. Price has collapsed well below the 20 and 50 period EMAs on the 4-hour, which are now clustered up around $4,117 to $4,119 and acting as a ceiling rather than support. The RSI on that same timeframe is sitting at just 26, deeply oversold, but here's the key nuance: oversold doesn't mean reversal. The MACD histogram is still deeply negative, and there is no confirmed bullish divergence in place. The market is stretched, but momentum hasn't turned. Now the big fundamental event today is the FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. Eastern. If the minutes lean hawkish, reinforcing a higher for longer rate narrative, that typically strengthens the dollar and weighs further on gold. Any dovish surprises could spark a sharp relief bounce. Structurally, the levels worth watching closely are $4,032 and $4,020 on the downside, and on any recovery attempt, $4,080 to $4,100 is the resistance zone that really matters heading into the afternoon session. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1415 and 1.14338. Support is marked between 1.1385 and 1.13947. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.708 and 162.9. Support is marked between 162.2 and 162.35. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.81075 and 0.812. Support is marked between 0.8087 and 0.8096. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.693 and 0.6945. Support is marked between 0.6898 and 0.69099. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.570 for 8 and 0.57212. Support is marked between 0.5669 and 0.5679. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.419 and 1.422. Support is marked between 1.413 and 1.416. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.